This is the device overview for the W56H Yealink Cordless Phone. The model number is printed on the back of the phone for your reference. Now we'll go over the phone's features. We have soft keys which control the options on each side of the screen, speakerphone, voicemail or call history, answer button, hang up, your directional keypad, your dial pad, your mute button, transfer, and if you long press the star key, that will turn on or off the ringer. This cordless phone also has a keypad lock function. It is located on the pound key at the bottom. If you press and hold this button, it will lock the keypad to where button presses will not function properly. So if you press any button, it will tell you that the keypad is locked. The phone will still let you make a phone call, but like if you try and dial another extension, it will not let you do that. It'll say it's not an emergency number, and it only allows emergency numbers with the keypad locked. To unlock the keypad, simply do the reverse. Press and hold the pound key, and the keypad will be unlocked where the phone will function as normal. We can control the volume of this cordless phone by using the navigational directional arrows. By pressing the right arrow, it will increase the volume of the ringtone when you're not in an active call. By pressing the left arrow, that will also decrease the volume of the ringer when not in an active call. When you are on the speakerphone, by pressing the speakerphone button during an active call, you can press the right arrow to raise the volume of the speaker, or you can press the left arrow to decrease the volume of the speaker. If you're just in a general call using the earpiece, it operates the same way. The right arrow will increase the volume of the caller in your earpiece, and the left arrow will decrease the volume of the caller in your earpiece. You can receive phone calls on this cordless phone. It's as simple as dialing the extension number and pressing the make call button. If you have an incoming call, simply press the answer button. When you're finished with your phone call, you can press the red button to hang up or disconnect the phone call. To place an active caller on hold, you will simply press the line key for options, scroll down using the directional keypad to hold, and press OK. This caller is now on hold and will be hearing hold music in the earpiece of their phone. To resume the hold, simply press the opposite line key for resume, and now you can talk to your caller again. To transfer a live call with this cordless phone, the simplest way is to press the transfer button at the bottom of the phone and dial the extension number or phone number you wish to transfer this call to. In this case, we'll dial extension 802, then we'll use the line key to complete the transfer. And if we want to send this caller to someone's voicemail box without ringing their phone first, we can do it like this. You choose options with the line key, choose transfer by selecting it on the screen and clicking OK, and then you'll want to dial star, then the extension number you wish to transfer it to, and then hit transfer. Once it is transferred, it'll go straight to that caller's voicemail box to where they can leave a message. To utilize the conference call feature on this phone, once you have at least one live phone call on the line, you can press Option, scroll down using the directional keypad to Conference, click OK. You'll want to dial the existing extension or another phone number to conference in. In this case, we'll dial another extension and hit the conference button. You'll have to wait for the other line to pick up. Once they pick up and the call is active, you just need to press conference one more time to conference in both phone calls. To place a caller on hold to be picked up on another extension within your organization's phone system, you need to do call parking. In order to do call parking on this cordless, with an active call, you need to press #7.
Call parked on extension 901.
The phone will then announce the call park slot. In order to pick up that phone call on another phone, you can dial 901, which is the call park slot it announced, and press the send key. And now you have an active call again. Look at the history and directory of this cordless phone. To see the call history, press history, and it will load all the calls. You can press the over arrow on the directional pad for missed calls, over once again for placed calls, over once again for received calls. To return back to the home screen, just simply press the red hang up button. For the directory, if you press the down arrow, you'll pull up the directory in which you can add contacts by hitting Options, line key, OK for new contact, and enter the information using your dial pad on the phone. Once you're done, you can click Save to save this contact in your directory. This phone does not have a true do not disturb functionality. We can sort of simulate this with the turning the ringtones off. So if you press and hold the star key for a few seconds, you'll say all ringtones off. Now when a caller calls, the display will still light up with the caller's identification, but it will not actually ring the phone. To re-enable the ringtones, simply do this in reverse. Hold the star key again, and all the ringtones will be re-enabled. To check the voicemail on this phone has an indicator at the top of the screen that will show a voicemail icon if you have a voicemail. To check the voicemail, though, you will press the envelope icon on the dial pad and scroll down to 801 and hit select. This will actually call your voicemail and allow you to enter your PIN number in order to check your voicemail. Follow the prompts once you get there. Other useful information about this phone. This phone does not have a Bluetooth or wireless headset capability, but it does have a 3.5mm headphone jack in the bottom of the phone in which you can use a wired headset with a microphone. This will allow you to have a hands-free option with using the belt clip on the cordless phone to connect to your belt and have a wired headset. Also, some other options on this phone are the mute button at the bottom where you can mute the microphone of the caller. That way they cannot hear you, but you can still hear what they're saying. These phones also have an extended range on the cordless phone, so they can go a pretty good distance. But if you need an even further distance for the cordless phones, we do sell extension modules, which we can extend the signal of the cordless phone to go even further, say for a warehouse or a large office. This is the front of the cordless phone's base station. On this base station, you'll see indicator lights to show that it has network, the cordless phones are connected, and there's a power light. Also, this round button here where it looks like a wireless signal, if you press that, and it will locate your cordless phone by sending a ring signal to the cordless phones in case you misplaced your cordless phone somewhere. This is the backside of the cordless phone's base. On the base, we have the power cord, the network cable port, and we have slots in order to mount this to the wall if you want to mount it somewhere where you get